In Indonesia, specifically in East Kalimantan, lies a lake like no other in the world. Kakaban Lake, a haven for thousands of tame, stingless jellyfish. This phenomenon is incredibly rare. On the entire planet, there are only 4 places with tame jellyfish, and Kakaban Lake is the largest and most unique. The jellyfish here have been trapped for thousands of years in a lake that was raised from the sea, allowing them to evolve without predators. The result? You can swim among thousands of transparent jellyfish that move slowly like living lights in the water. It feels like stepping into another world, serene, peaceful, and almost unreal.